Moondrop has officially started selling their Venus flagship planar headphone. This thing is their first foray into flagship headphone manufacturing. They've never really been in this space ever because they've only been well known for their in-ear monitors all these years. That's what Moondrop has been making, quality in-ear monitors. They never used to make headphones, so it's quite interesting that this year they popped out with two headphones. They've released this Venus, and then they've released the Void. They released the Void. That's just a dynamic driver headphone. So you have these two models that are out now, and the company seems like they want to start competing with the other companies like Sundara, from Hyperman. They want to compete in this space. In terms of pricing for this model, you'll be looking at $500 to $600 for this model. So you have to look at your pocket. Can you get it? Can you afford it? It's still a planar driver that it's using. It's using a 100 millimeter planar driver that I think a lot of people would be fine with. It's a 100 millimeter sub nanometer diaphragm. You will need power to run this, so you need to hook it up to a decent amplifier. It's coming with an aviation grade aluminum alloy build. There is at least coming with a self-adjusting headband. It's coming with interchangeable cable design, and it's really good. It's really good overall. So honestly, I think this is going to be another successful release from Moondrop. I think for its success to be huge, it has to really resonate with a lot of people. I think the tuning would be the key factor for this model. The problem I have with Moondrop is that they tend to always want to stay in this neutral tuning space. They just don't care about experimenting to see if people would like them to have bass sets that have hard hitting bass in general. So it's quite funny to always see them release products without the best bass performance, and that's what they've been doing for a couple of years now. They've been very consistent with their Harman tuning. That's how they've been successful, and I wouldn't be shocked if this has the same tuning as every other Harman tuned earphone they've released in the past. So it's gonna be very interesting to see how well people take to this model, how well people resonate with this model, and if they will say it's an excellent model that should be pleasing to a lot of people that would listen to it. It has an impedance of 18 ohms. Frequency response is 6 hertz to 80 kilohertz. You have two cable plug connectors. You have a 3.5 millimeter single-ended plug, and then you have a 4.4 millimeter balanced plug. So you have options. You really have options, and I think it really is good. I think a lot of people will like the options that you get. So look, it's not a cheap unit. You're looking at $500-$600 for this unit. I think more reviews for it would be coming out soon. So you have to just wait and see if this product is something you want to experiment with and then purchase. So that's it. Check it out. I'll drop the link to where you can purchase if you're interested. Subscribe to the channel, like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.